Hello, ma'am. It's an honor to see you here, and thanks for joining to the show.
Hi Reshma, thank you
Hello.
so much.
Yes. So, to all my audience here, one thing that I would like to define Mrs. Valentina Mishra as someone with beauty with brains. So, as a testament to this saying, if there is one person I can relate to, it has always been Mrs. Valentina Mishra. I have seen her during my years when I grew up, from my college, when I was studying, and also when I was working. You know, the kind of energy, the kind of vibrations, and the kind of a person she is. I mean, I have no words to express how I feel when I meet her. So she has been a very active lady when it comes to fashion pageants, especially for children, when it comes to talent shows, when it comes to groom children with one important skill, which is called confidence. So Mrs. Valentina Mishra has always been on the forefront to groom children, to ensure that the skills that are needed for life are always equipped in them. So once again, welcome Mrs. Valentina Mishra. She is the National Director for Art and Culture, and she has been the woman behind a lot of children from Vizag who have been doing so well internationally. And she has been the one who has taken children from Visakhapatnam to international festivals that happen abroad and to represent India on the global front. So that is why it's an honor to have you, ma'am, here. And I would really love to hear from you as to what made you get into this field of modeling, pageantry, and also why is it that you think it is as equally important for children?
Hello everybody. Hi Reshma.
Hello.
And thank you so much for these wonderful words that you have put for me. I'm really glad and I'm honored to be here for your show as well. I feel, like as my journey goes all throughout these years as National Director India, as groomer for kids and for the elders as well. So all that I can tell you for the journey that I have gone through, being a Vizagite, being from Andhra, grew up in Andhra, college in Andhra. I really feel that I have my roots back in here.
Right.
And no matter wherever I go and whatever I do, I come back to this place because this is given. They all say, people say, coming from small cities, how could you reach to such a level of international?
Exactly.
But I always feel that, it's the passion,
Yes.
it's your hard work which drives you where you belong to.
Absolutely.
And that is where I feel that I have made my way through from a small city like Vizag, but not small city anymore.
Yes.
Yes, it's
Yes.
one of, I think the city is now known around the world. And from Vizag to actually traveling more than 35 countries all over the
Wow.
world. Having platform for kids in terms of grooming, in terms of cultural events,
Yes.
cultural exchange, talent search, and all of that has been some journey which I love to be a part of since my childhood. Well, as you just asked me, Reshma, that where and how did I even thought of getting into something like this?
Yes.
So just to tell you, some years back, maybe when I look back 25 years back, from a girl as a model, like, as any other small girl aspires to be a model.
Yes.
That's how I grew up.
Right.
The very thought of starting to be a model from a place like Vizag, ikkadi nunchi enti అని ఎప్పుడు అనుకుంటారు జనాలు వైజాగ్ నుంచి ఇంత దూరం వెళ్ళగలరా
అవును
అని
అదొక పెద్ద
అనుకుంటారు.
డౌట్.
Yes. So I always feel that one thing for all the girls or everybody who really wants to be there, I can
Yes.
tell you that a confidence undali.
అవును.
You have to be passionate. Man
Yes.
ఏదైనా చేసే దాంట్లో passion undali.
అవును.
I think that's where you will really go far away, long way off in your journey.
Yes.
So started my career long ago in 96, 97 with Miss Vizag, Miss Andhra.
Wow.
Yes, and got groomed by Kaushik Ghosh, who was godfather Sushmita Sen.
Okay.
My journey starts from there.
Wow.
And everybody knows that modeling gani, movies gani, being an actress gani, it is not a long-lived profession.
Yes.
మనం ఒక 25, 26 years వరకు you can really go to some part. But
Yes.
what after that?
After that.
Right? So you could have done something like what my qualification says is not what I do because I follow my passion.
Yes.
So what I started was that I have done my graduation from Gayatri Vidya Parishad, Visakhapatnam.
Okay.
And after that, believed in myself, in my passion,
Okay.
to be a profession.
Okay.
And that is how I went all along all these years. Yes, coming to grooming, as I just told you, that being a model or being an actress is not a very long-lived profession.
Yes.
So, Okati, I feel, is that what confidence you gather from whatever you do or wherever you start from.
Avunu.
With the passion, and to passion undaga, we have to take that profession to the next level.
Yes.
And that is what I believed in.
Correct.
So when I started my journey, I have my own company called Dila Valentina.
Yes.
దీంట్లో ఏంటంటే మన చిన్న పిల్లలకి ఫ్రమ్ 4 years to 16 years we do the training.
Okay.
ఆ ట్రైనింగ్ ఏంటంటే in terms of building confidence.
Okay.
So as you see now that పిల్లలు స్కూల్కి వెళ్తున్నారు,
అవును,
బట్ if you just tell them పేరేంటి అనగాని వాళ్ళు పారిపోతారు.
అవును.
ఎందుకు?
Shyness.
Yes. That is nothing but being shy.
Yes.
Right? So I feel as on today, immaterial of a child getting 10 on 10,
yes,
full marks, Gana, whatever, they will be a child who will be, getting 100% marks in everything.
Yes.
But what matters tomorrow? It is not about fashion industry. It is
yes,
not about being a model, or
yes,
it is not about being, actor or actress.
Yes. Yes.
It's about personality.
Yes.
So all I think is it is very important ఇప్పుడు పిల్లలకి చాలా అవసరం ఇది that they believe in themselves. They have to have confidence. And especially the growing ages.
Yes.
So we have come with this initiative of grooming the children right from the growing ages.
Okay.
So that ఇప్పుడు స్కూల్లో వాళ్ళు మార్క్స్ వచ్చినా కానీ ఈ షైనెస్ కానీ మొహమాటం ఉండడం, they will not talk, open up అవ్వడం,
yes,
stage మీద perform చేయడం, these are all very very big. It's a challenge for a child now.
Agreed.
Because they think that everybody is looking at them.
Yes.
And తర్వాత ఏమన్నా వాళ్ళు అనుకుంటారు
నాకు జడ్జ్
చేస్తారు అనుకుంటారు. They feel that it is not something that they want to listen to after that.
Yes.
So that is a fear.
Yes.
So మనం గ్రూమింగ్ చేసేటప్పుడు we make sure that పిల్లలకి కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ లెవెల్స్ కానీ వాళ్ళ ఈ షైనెస్ పోవడం కానీ talk, the way they need to present themselves గానీ,
correct,
personality, the outer personality development అంటారు, personality development గానీ, basic how they need to behave or their behavior patterns గానీ, ఇవి అన్ని మనం గ్రూమ్ చేస్తే కనుక they could be anywhere.
Absolutely.
As I just mentioned, it's not necessary that they have to be a part of fashion industry. They could be a doctor, they could be engineers,
yes,
they could be chartered accountant, whatever they are. But that will take them long way because the world today is very competitive.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
In competitive world lo unte, they will be lost if they don't have these qualities.
Absolutely. అంటే చదువు అంటే అందరికీ అది ఉంటదే, సో దాట్ గోస్ బై డిఫాల్ట్ అన్నమాట.
Yes.
కానీ మనకి స్కిల్స్ లైక్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్, లైక్ అంటే ఒక ఎటికెట్ అని చెప్తారు, అవి అన్ని స్కూల్లో మిస్సింగ్. ఇఫ్ వి సీ అంటే పర్సనాలిటీ డెవలప్మెంట్ కొన్ని స్కూల్స్లో ఇప్పుడు క్లాసెస్ వచ్చాయి, కానీ ఆ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఎంత ఎడ్యుకేషన్ మీద ఉందో అది లేదు. కానీ దిస్ ఇస్ యాజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ యాజ్ యువర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అనమాట. సో అందుకే మీరు అంటే పిల్లలకి ఇలాంటిది గ్రూమింగ్ చేయాలి, మన ఇండియాలో ఉన్న పిల్లలకి ఒక ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఇవ్వాలి, వాళ్ళకి అంటే ఒక స్టేజ్ ఇవ్వాలి, అంటే షో యువర్ టాలెంట్, షో వాట్ యు ఆర్ కేపబుల్ ఆఫ్. ఆ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మీరు ఇస్తున్నారు. సో అది అంటే దట్స్ లైక్ సో మచ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంపాక్ట్ దట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఆన్ ఇండియా. ఎందుకంటే టుడేస్ చిల్డ్రన్ ఆర్ టుమారోస్ ఫ్యూచర్. సో how do you feel when it comes to grooming children? Ante since you have been working with children very closely, ante apart from education, apart from curricular activities, I am sure there will be a lot of hidden talent in children, and you might have experienced the same thing because having worked closely with you, even I realized avuna inni chinna pillalu enta ante stage మీద ఒక అది ర్యాంప్ వాక్ చేసినప్పుడే నాకు ఆ ఫీలింగ్ వచ్చింది. ఏంటంటే పెద్దవాళ్ళని చూసాను ర్యాంప్ లో, ఓకే ఒక కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ గా వాళ్ళు వాక్ చేస్తారు, కానీ పిల్లలు కూడా అంత ట్రైనింగ్ ఇచ్చి మీరు చేస్తారు. సో ఒక హిడెన్ టాలెంట్స్ ఎలా మీరు బయట తీసుకొస్తారు పిల్లలవి?
All right, Reshma, actually ఏంటంటే మనం when we plan this grooming sessions, when we grooming session plan చేసేటప్పుడు we have few topics, కొన్ని topics ఉంటాయి, దాంట్లో we keep brushing the children అన్నమాట.
Okay.
So as I just mentioned to you that first we do ఒక audition చేసేసి we see every child, because see, every child is different, and internationally they believe every child is beautiful.
Absolutely.
So it is immaterial of their color, caste, creed,
that's
nothing.
a very important point.
Yes. So immaterial of all of that, they feel there is something in every child because every individual is different.
Correct.
Right? Correct. So while we do this audition చేసేటప్పుడు, we see if the child is above 50% in our grading, because we see them in terms of talking. We see them the way they walk, they sit, they question answers, the IQ levels, everything.
Okay.
అది చేసిన తర్వాత, if the child is above that 50% of mark, we feel that we can groom them towards 100%.
Got it.
Right? So ఆ 50% నుంచి కొంచెం పైకి, maybe if we push them, they can really be much better version of themselves. Right. So that is where we start this journey.
Right.
After they are shortlisted, so these children are from 4 years to 16 years. Like as early as 4 and as old as teenagers, 16.
Okay.
Because 4 to 6 అంటారు. 4 years పిల్లలకి ఏం తెలుసు, చాలా మంది పేరెంట్స్ కూడా వచ్చేసి నాకు అడిగారన్నమాట. ఎలాగ మేడం మా పిల్లలు అస్సలు వినరు, కూర్చోరు, ఒక చోట కూర్చోరు, అసలు ఎప్పుడు అల్లరి చేస్తూ ఉంటారు.
అలాంటి పిల్లలు మీరు ఎలా గ్రూమ్ చేస్తారో, అంటే ఇంత పేషెన్స్ తో మీరు ఎలా?
I can only tell you one thing, ఒకటే చెప్పగలను రేష్మా, that the moment the parents say that, I just laugh at them, because పేరెంట్స్ తో ఉన్న గారం వాళ్ళ టీచర్స్ తో పెట్టలేరు.
అవును.
And when they know especially that somebody is really giving them time. See, kids are like God.
Yes.
వాళ్ళకి ఆ వైబ్రేషన్స్ తెలుస్తాయి.
అవును.
సో ద మూమెంట్ పేరెంట్స్ అట్లా చెప్పగానే I just smile and say, మేడం మీరు బయటకు వెళ్ళండి, ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ గ్రూమింగ్ సెషన్స్ మనం మాట్లాడదాం.
Okay.
And that what has happened. There was this child, about 5-6-year-old boy from Vijayawada. మదర్ వచ్చేసేసి, మేడం ఇంకా ఐఎమ్ లాస్ట్ విత్ దిస్ చైల్డ్, నాకు అస్సలు తెలీదు నేను ఏం చేసుకోవాలి, అస్సలు క్లాస్ లో మాట్లాడు, బయటకు వెళ్తే హీ షై, అసలు అంటే ఒక ఫ్రెండ్స్ తో మాట్లాడాలంటే వీడికి మొహమాటం, అసలు నాకు అసలు అర్థం అవ్వట్లేదు ఈ పిల్లలతో ఏం చేసుకోవాలి, డాక్టర్ దగ్గరికి తీసుకెళ్తే ఏమీ లేదు ప్రాబ్లం, మేబీ హీ హెస్ గాట్ సమ్ హార్మోనల్ ఇంబ్యాలెన్సెస్. అంటే అసలు 4 years పిల్లలు 5 years పిల్లలకి హార్మోనల్ ఇంబ్యాలెన్సెస్ ఏంటి అని అనుకుంటే, అందుకే మీ దగ్గర తీసుకొచ్చాను మేడం అని ఒక పేరెంట్ వచ్చారన్నమాట. సో ఇట్స్ ద సేమ్ థింగ్. ఐ సెడ్, మేడం మీరు అసలు లెట్స్ టాక్ ఆఫ్టర్ ద క్లాస్, నేను నా ఫస్ట్ అండ్ మీకు సజెషన్స్ గానీ కమెంట్స్ గానీ ఇస్తాను ఆఫ్టర్ ఐ మీట్ ద చైల్డ్ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్. సో ఇట్ జస్ట్ హ్యాపెండ్ దట్ దిస్ చైల్డ్, ఫర్ ఎనీ టాపిక్ I give the basic introduction. We have given few topics ichamu pillalki. So it depends upon like the age group, as I just told you. 4 to 6 years pillalki we have one session. From 7 to 10 we have one session, because see, like we cannot have a 4-year child with a 16-year-old boy or girl.
Absolutely.
Because their mental this thing levels are different.
Yes.
So this small child with 4-5 more kids was put into a topic. And the most surprising part of this whole thing was, after that first journey, I saw only this child talking. Whereas the parents said that this boy is useless.
Yes.
He does not talk at all.
Yes.
And asal mohamatam undi, inta shy ga unnadu, asal maatladu. A lot of things parents said. So all the time the class that the boy was talking, he was talking on the topic about India. And maybe he started, like for his IQ levels, about the colors of the flag and what is our culture, what are traditions, all of that. And he put it so well in his small speech that he did. His mother said, no, he doesn't talk and this, that. And I was surprised. I just saw that boy. I said, out of all the kids we auditioned, this boy was the one whose parents were absolutely negative about him, saying that no, he's not worth it.
Yes.
But adi vini tarvata I was surprised.
And change akkada chustara.
Absolutely. Just that's one part. So what I feel, Reshma, bottom line out of this story is environment matters.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
You could be a child who is really scoring well or everything. Maybe if the circle around him is not right,
Yes.
he will be suppressed somewhere. And that suppressed,
Absolutely.
the person who's suppressed gets into this mental psyche saying, no, I should not talk anything.
Correct.
If I'm talking something, it's going to be a problem.
Correct.
People are going to laugh at me.
Yes.
And yes, I realized why he was doing that was because he had a little lisp.
Okay.
So the moment he would talk, natti unte,
Okay.
పిల్లలు మాట్లాడితే వేరే పిల్లలు ఎక్కిరిస్తారు.
Avunu. Avunu. Avunu.
That was his fear.
Correct. Correct.
So his fear was just that little lisp. మాట్లాడితే అట్లా అంటాడంటే వీళ్ళంటూ నవ్వేవాళ్ళు.
Okay.
ఆ నవ్వడం చూసేసి వీడు మాట్లాడడం మానేశారు.
Okay. అది మైండ్ లో అంటే సెట్ అయిపోతుంది.
Correct.
సో నాట్ ఓన్లీ అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ అంటే ఒక కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఒక పార్ట్ అంటే యు ఆర్ ఆల్సో హెల్పింగ్ చిల్డ్రన్ టు ఓవర్కమ్ దేర్ ఫియర్స్. అది ఎంత ఇంపార్టెంట్ అంటే దాట్స్ లైక్ అంటే అనుకుంటాం ఇది మన లైఫ్ వీక్నెస్. ఐ విల్ నెవర్ బి ఏబుల్ టు ఓవర్కమ్ దిస్.
Correct.
సో ఓవర్కమింగ్ ఫియర్స్ ఇస్ అనదర్ బిగ్ టాస్క్ that requires some support from the elders.
Absolutely.
So ante
when the moment I said that, then I because he's got that, so the parent came after the class, after this whole journey. We had a topic of discussion.
Okay.
Then they were supposed to introduce themselves.
Okay.
They were also supposed to answer a few questions.
Okay.
And we had given a basic kind of presentation on etiquettes and all of that.
Okay. Okay.
The surprising part after all of that was the boy who was the most attentive,
Okay.
who was most outgoing in the whole group.
Wow.
Okay, I think I can, to that boy who was just 5 marks while we did the 50% while we did the auditions, was about 8 with that session that we had with them.
Just amazing.
So
Just amazing.
I can just tell you, Reshma, that this is where we stand. This is where our children are. If you give them the right platform, if you give them really the right, the right stage,
Yes.
to prove that it is just not that, you're
Yes.
beyond it.
Yes.
They need their encouragement.
Absolutely.
They need to get out of those fears.
Absolutely.
Because if you're young and you're getting out of the fears, it's easy for
It's
them.
easy for them in the long term.
Otherwise, what happens is the moment they keep that to themselves, everything is different.
Yes.
And as they grow, and the fear, if it resides in between them,
Yes.
I think it's very difficult to get that out at the age of 15 or 16.
Exactly.
Because now they're done.
Exactly. And I think that is what your academy, Dila Valentina, does. And I'm so proud that there have been students from Visakhapatnam, which I know have represented India on the global map. So that's it's a matter of pride for the country. Ante inta chinna pillalu oka world stage meeda they are competing with the other children from the other parts of the world. So that is not only a matter of pride for Visakhapatnam, but I think it's the matter of pride for India. So I do not know whether I should be thankful or grateful, or I should be kind of expressing it in a way that you have taken India to another level by grooming children. So that passion I always see when children are around you. And I myself, when I was growing up, I have learned so much from you just by sitting beside you, just by observing you, and just there is a different kind of confidence that I feel when I am with you. And then there's like I think one day I should walk like her, I should talk like her, I should look like her. So it's that kind of a vibration that you set around people. So that's just an amazing thing. So coming forward to this discussion, I would like to ask, like, how many countries has India represented out of all the pageants that we have done? There are a few pageants that have really stood out. So how many children, or how many times India has represented on the global map?
Right, Reshma. So going back from 2015,
Okay.
from the time I was National Director India for different cultural festivals.
Okay.
Now, just to tell you a little bit more about cultural festivals and beauty pageants. Now, these cultural festivals are purely for kids,
Okay.
which is from 4 to 16 years, because
Okay.
they are all minors.
Okay.
And our international partners all feel that
Okay.
every child is beautiful,
Yes.
immaterial of the caste, color, creed.
Right.
It is only the basic outlook, their
Right.
confidence levels,
Right.
the way they speak,
Right.
can make them different. So while we are doing this grooming part in our academy, there have been children who've represented India at South Africa, at Georgia, at Bulgaria, at Korea. So, yes, and maybe Brazil,
Wow.
Malaysia. I mean, talk about the country. Yeah.
Wow.
And just to tell you also, one of our girls from Vizag, Sharanya Mudundi, she had also got award Bal Puraskar for
Wow.
representing India at international platform.
Wow.
Yes.
That's so amazing. That's so amazing.
Yeah, and she has been the girl, I mean, first, in fact, you can say first contestant from India or Vizag or Andhra who has been on that global platform.
Wow.
And after that, the whole legacy followed with different kids from different parts of India, Andhra as well, Vijayawada as well.
Wow.
And yes, because we do, screening all pan India.
Correct.
We do screening pan India, so
Right.
that depends upon the child who's shortlisted from which part of India,
Right.
and henceforth they represent.
Got
So
it.
also this child who I was just talking about, whose mother had given up on him.
Acha.
Today, whenever she feels or she meets me, the boy says, "Thank you, Valentina, ma'am."
Okay.
You know, it's been,
Right.
I think, 4 years since the time I've groomed him and all that.
Okay.
That boy is the school captain now.
Wow.
He is doing exceedingly well he's in 10th grade, you know, a small boy of 4th, 5th class now in 10th grade, a big boy. And whenever he has to meet me or say, look at me, you say, whatever I'm talking today is because of Valentina ma'am and because of the groom.
Right.
So, you know, see,
Of
that's,
course, it's a life changer for him.
Absolutely,
So,
absolutely.
That's the
See,
impact you are bringing.
that is where I think every child have to understand. In fact, I would rather say now I need to groom parents.
Yes.
And why I tell you that also, I'll tell you because, it is very important in a house where parents first give up on children.
Yes.
So I feel it is very important for every parent. And the parents ki adi a confidence pillal మీద పెట్టుకుని వాళ్ళని grow చేసి చూస్తే, I think that is something which is going to really have the impact.
Yes.
Because the confidence starts from there.
Absolutely.
And after that it goes to school. School again, if you have the right company, fine. If you do not, you see why there are people from IITs today not getting their the campuses.
Yes.
Why do you think that's happening?
Yes.
That's
because these are
happening.
the soft skills that we miss.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
There could be a child, there could be a student who's attaining 100%.
Yes.
But while it comes for an interview, they're not even able to say 2 words.
Yes.
So why would a company pay you 60 lakhs annum package?
Yes.
Just because you're from IIT?
IIT. Yeah.
They
Of
would
course,
not.
makes sense. Yes. Absolutely.
Unless you are groomed or you are somebody standing out of what your skills are.
Yes.
You could be a person who's getting 100% in marks in papers. But if you do not have the basics, I think it's very difficult for anybody. That's why I said it is not about fashion industry or being model or an actress. It's about a personality.
Personality. Absolutely. I think that is where the impact, is the impact that is being made by you.
Yes.
So yeah, not taking much of your time, I would like to ask you that what would be your message to the people out there, or if you would like to spread a message for how grooming is important for each one of us, despite whichever field you are, or irrespective of what you are doing, or irrespective of whether you're working or not, why grooming is important, and what would be your message to all of us out here?
My only message for everybody, it is immaterial of the age. We do the grooming for the kids. Why I said that is because I feel kids are growing and, it is giving water a shape.
Yes.
Just like how we put, a glass of water in a glass and put it in the freezer to make it to ice.
Yes.
So we are into that phase of grooming this water to ice.
Yes.
So that is why I say kids. But my message to everybody, basically, it could be from age group, from the time you're born till the time you're there in this Mother Earth. I feel these skills are very important.
Yes.
No matter of what industry you are, no matter of where you are actually leading to, if you're confident about yourself, if you are groomed well, if you can really take on to life, I think nothing is impossible.
Right.
Because we strongly believe in the quote.
Yes.
Because nothing is impossible, as impossible says, I am possible.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for sharing this wonderful message. And I am sure a lot of people out there, whoever thinks that something is impossible, would also know that I am possible. Thank you so much for once again
Thank you so
joining
much,
our
Reshma.
show,
It has
and
been a wonderful
Absolutely.
journey. Thank you once again.
Same here. Thank you so much.